Okay, so on this question, a standardized automobile license plates in a country display one number, followed by two letters, followed by four numbers. How many different standard license plates are possible? Assume the repetition are allowed. Okay. Well, basically, if you go to the notes, let me go to the notes with you real quick and show you where this is at in the notes. Here it is. So in the notes, we are counting possibilities. Order matters. The order matters, right? On a license plate, you can't change the order. The order matters. What do you do? The order, when the order matters, the number of possibilities is number of options for decision one times number of options for decision two, etc. And you multiply these together, notice. For each decision that must be made, multiply the number of options for that decision. So, okay, so let's think about it. So what are we supposed to do? We're supposed to do one number, followed by two letters, and four numbers. One number, two letters, four numbers. So let me actually do one. I'm just going to make one. How about 7WV3703? I just made a license plate, fitting their thing. I picked a number, two letters, four numbers. Okay, now let's think back to what I just did. How many decisions, how many options? So I made, I made a decision on my first number. How many options? Well, 10 options. Why 10? Because there's the digits 1 through 9 and 0. There's 10 different digits. I could have done 1 through 9 or 0, 10 different options times. And then I came to my next decision. I had to pick my first letter and my second letter. For my first, now how many letters in the alphabet? 26. 26 times 26, just multiply these together. There's 26 options times 26 options. Okay, next I'm coming to my four numbers. So first number, second number, third number, fourth number. And for each of these numbers, there's 10 options, as we've said, 1 through 9 or 0. So just multiply those all together. These are all the options. Options, and options. So for each decision you need to make, you need to pick a number, like I picked 7, 2 letters, I picked WV, and 4 numbers, I picked 3703. You just multiply the number of options for each of those decisions, just multiply those all together in your calculator. 10 times 26 times 26 times 10, 10, 10, 10. And let's see what we get. I'm getting a big number. I'm getting 6, 7, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 67 million. That's the answer that goes here. 67,600,000. So they would know in this country, if they make up that scheme of doing license plates, that would allow them 67,600,000 different license plates that are possible. So they want to make sure they have enough to cover all the cars in the country, right? So that's where the mathematics comes in. You got to figure out your scheme and how many different possibilities that'll give if that's enough license plates to cover all the cars in your country. So decisions and options. For each decision you make, multiply the number of options together.